All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics. Thank you. Before I jump into this chart, I want to state some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. For all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts. Thank you so much. Speaks high volumes from your guys' end, and I hope to continue to give helpful and informative information and nothing less. All right, so let's jump into this chart. So as I was saying yesterday, the bulls did have a recovery, but they were going to have to push hard to break through the 50-day moving average, reach the resistance level, and get back into bullish territory. But it turned out very differently. The bears definitely dominated this. The bulls weren't able to do anything in that aspect to hit newer highs, and for them to continue the run, they were going to have to do that and use this momentum. But quickly, the bears reappeared, took a toll on them, and brought them down to newer lows and further away from the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is 795. I'd write that down. As long as this stays below 795, this is going to hit newer lows, and it needs to get crossed by the bulls to start to have a bullish rally and get back into bullish territory. Let's go ahead and move the support level and resistance level to their new locations. It's going to be very interesting how this plays out tomorrow, and we're going to want to pay very close attention to what's going on the chart to know what's going to be necessary for the bulls or the bears to continue to work their way towards their goals, right? The bulls want to bring this up, the bears want to tear this down. So it closed out at 762. For the bulls to even have a recovery and start to work their way back up, they need to break through the first resistance level, and that's 775. They're going to have to break through it, turn it into a support, and then start to work their way up to newer highs. And even if this gets broken through and turned into a support, it just tells you that the bulls are recovering on their way back up. But a full recovery isn't until they break through 795, which is the 50-day moving average, and bring this one up to newer highs. So that's going to be very interesting and very important for the bulls to reach those levels so they can go ahead and have a rally. But 775 before getting up here is the first resistance level that needs to be broken through and turn into a support so the bulls can start to work their way up. Now, on the other spectrum of things, the bears. The bears are going to want to break through 753, and if they break through 753, they're going to pull this further away from the 50-day moving average of 795 and bring this one down to newer lows. And honestly, this is the lowest point this stock has reached within pretty much the last month. Um, I mean, you could see 741, let's see here, 745. I mean, it's pretty close to hitting where it was at July 30th, July 29th, which is pretty much a month and a few days ago, hitting those lows. So this is the lowest it's reached in the last 4 weeks. And if it breaks through this support, it's going to work its way down to newer lows and break the support levels from before, which is close to the 740 range, 730 range. And I'd pay very close attention. I can't emphasize that enough. If 753 gets broken through, pay very close attention to how quickly is it moving down, or will the bulls take advantage of the price and bring this one back up by loading up on stocks and coming in hefty and strong to recover this one. But the bulls won't recover it until they break through 795, which is the 50-day moving average. They had that chance here. They lost the momentum. Bears tore them down. We're going to have to see how this plays out tomorrow. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. If you guys do and feel encouraged and inclined to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a single video, and turn on all notifications to be up to date on the chart analysis that I post every day. And share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watch this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.